do the woo. I made 1,000 songs that make you move your ass. For the last 300 months, I made 16 albums with me on the front. And they fun. Where you get your beats.
Saturday, Daniel Black, bitch lights on the phone.
2 singers and 10 comedians, and I'm still gon' yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? So they can't play on my court. They can't stay on the court.
Let me have some fun in here. One time, one time, one time.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Y'all gon' make me go all out.
I go against anybody. Let's go. My name is DJ Stakz, high profile.
This is how we do it.
This is a party. I'm not here to waste no time. If you believe in God, 2 hands up. If you believe in the Almighty God, 2 hands up right now. Listen.
I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life.
Lights on the stage, please. Let's go.
No, we don't know what tomorrow might bring, or the future never hours away. So me, I live my life today. But me, I live my life today. Yeah. So don't make me talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say. So never live my life today. Never live my life today.
Amazura, you sing it.
Yeah, sing it out. I love my life. I love my life.
Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to everybody.
So me, I live my life.
Half a month ago, I tell my mother cause half a bike. He knows me visa, but everything nice. Big up the teacher, car future bright. No worry about it.
Who sing it?
Hey, because me clean every day.
Man.
Ask them I do me change 3 times a day. But don't tell me about me have money for pay. You know it's a Rasta, not straight. I'm drinking.
If you had at least 1 drink tonight, put your drinks up. Amazura, put your drinks up. Put your drinks up. Sing it. Hey.
I'm drinking rum. And you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful. Like them on the dance, I'll get grappled. And I'm rum.
Ladies, I'm gonna ask you a question. If you know your friend for more than 5 years, you'll never sleep with your best friend, man. Say no.
My friend, no.
DJ Stakz.
Easy. Easy. Man.
Me nah sell out my friend, nah but this my friend. Be a blessing, me son. Please your guide and protect them. Nah sell out my friend, nah but this my friend. Be a blessing, me son.
Ladies, y'all ready?
Your guide and protect them.
Alright. Yo, how that party I look so. Yeah, how that party I look.
All my ladies, give me a sexy wine. Sexy wine.
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 High profile sound, bounce when you see the girl them bubble. Fill up, see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. Rock me a sock, the girl Starbucks black. But the girl them time, play song fit.
My name is
DJ Stakz and play on the rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a show me. When the girl them a dip out and a jump.
How's your
Girl, if you not have it, I tell you.
January 18th. Jackpot, Zengler, Dollar. Right here. This Monday, Zengler inside the vault. Every girl them a bubble, 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 bubble,
Come at me one in your wall.
Shouts to Queens, shouts to Long Island. But I represent Brooklyn, New York City, Brooklyn.
You me get down easy, fuck them easy. Them follow me like Peter, them follow me like Jesus.
Listen, ladies, you got a 9 to 5 or 7 to 3. You got a college degree, you make your own money. Ladies, say something.
I like cheese. Rims and chrome on the bench.
Everybody know, bust some money, bust some money.
With the white stop some money. Just even nothing.
Watch, I'ma shut Amazura down. Pay attention.
If you get to you, back some money. Back some money. Yes, every year. I'ma pay me tax some money. Yes, some of them from the stack some money. And I say me have tax some money. God, when you see me out, you know see your bitch a show. The head and in the dance and the money.
Pay attention how I shut Amazura down.
You know me no crack out.
DJ Stakz, I'm here. I'ma play some songs. Now listen.
You feel rich before me reach.
Pay attention. Oh my God. Come on. Chill. Relax. HaitianBeats.com. Oh my God. Who's celebrating a birthday? Make some noise for me one time. Happy birthday, Keisha. What up? Family. This Tuesday, Zambi begins. Look out for Lovers Rock. Friday, February 14th. Dove sai? Wait. Hold on. Shouts to anybody that came to party tonight. It's the Christmas invasion. We got Carimi setting up on the stage right now. I know what it is. This Saturday, Denia Black inside of the vault. Also this Saturday, we got that Second in Brooklyn. So when we talk about that party, shouts to the Entourage family.